In this video, I will show how you can create a AI image generator using Python and OpenAI. So I have opened my VS Code and I will create a new Python file. I'll call that Python file as aiimage.py. Once the file is created, I need to install OpenAI module. So for that, I'll go to terminal. So go to view and terminal. And here we can write pip install OpenAI. So now it is installing OpenAI module and you can see that it has successfully installed OpenAI latest version. Now let's start writing our code. So first thing we need to import our OpenAI module. So from OpenAI, import OpenAI and then I will create a client. So client equals to OpenAI. Then I need to provide the API key. So API key and API key I'll get from OpenAI website. So go to Chrome. So you can open OpenAI API key and click on the first link, create an OpenAI API key. And once logged in, you can create a new secret key. I'll make it as image generator and create the secret key. Once the secret key is generated, I will copy that key and paste it in my Python. After pasting OpenAI API key in VS Code, we will provide the user input. So user input can be anything which the user wants. So input and I'll write you so that the user can put their input and then I'll get the response and client.images.generate. And the model I can use is I'm gonna use DALL-E. So DALL E3. It is the best image AI model by OpenAI, and prompt I will put as user input. After that, I will just print the image URL. So response.data.url. So this is all the code we need. I have used OpenAI API key, and then the model is DAL E3. And yeah, this will generate the response in the form of image. So let me run this code and see if this works. Okay, so it's asking me for the input. I'll say generate an image of a sun wearing glasses and a cap. So it has created a link for me. Let me have a look at it. I click on open and this is the AI image which he has created. So sun image with the glasses. So this is how you can use OpenAI with Python to generate AI generated images. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.